Other Ijore platform, they tafia for there, in marriages. But in your home, they on fire. Yes. In the Euro transplant platform, they settle home. Why you they on fire? When they fight with the wife, the glass bossy wife, you don't know say you no mute a camera in the speaker. Yuri was like, they fight oh, yeah, but now, you don't know. Before he realized, say, you know, mute the speaker, it was late. That was when he now come live video like, I just did baby one single mother house. Now I just go knacka for your house. That was when people, in case you know they hear Bini, now because of make me they talk for English. That was when the women when did the platform tell and say you are lying. Now your own house you did. Now you and your wife get problem. Not be another single mother. You try to the banner. Now it doesn't tell and say, put her for video. They will know whether or not be you and your husband, your wife get problem. Who see the single mother. You see, some they don't even sleep with the woman. They'll say they sleep with them. I say, baby mama, you did here. You want still remove clothes for man. You still watch the kind of man when you go remove clothes for. Imagine this one sleep with one woman. You go record that kind of come outside because of waiting, because of pepper body when they get from your wife inside house. Woman we don't born to 4 children for and when you don't get paid breast price. That's how they do it. You go come platform, you say it be big man 500. I don't know who give one that name. It be big man 500. You go they talk to women anyhow. But woman will deal with them for us, you know pay breast price. Because he's not yet sure whether a woman will go to live. You know marry for court, you know marry for church, you know pay breast price. But now Victor, I miss Victor the top and just now was like, bon. Yeah. Well, listen to no get finished, then we go to the real story. It's very bad. The answer say more progress. Now single mother has you this, so he say yes. You see how the man take they useless. Now you with the wife, the baby mama they fight for his house. Because say shame catch him, because say shame hold on. He want talk say na another baby mama house. Now he did na baby mama when he go knock for. He go knock baby mama for your house, for the baby mama house. Now the baby mama they misbehave and a lie. Now the house when government give the baby mama, now when they gather they live. Now with the woman we born for and I get problem. He want try to transfer her now, may put her for baby mama head. You know why? Because the audio when his wife they tell her say now he go leave you, go they knock another man, he don't come aside. You see that, my people? Mama, good evening, mama. Good evening, ma. Happy weekend, ma. Should you understand? Because he say the audio of how his wife telling him say, now I will go to knock another me. If I leave you, I go to knock another me. He don't come out. So he knock on the toss. He want try to turn her. Make people believe say na baby mama house he go sleep. Na lie. Na your house with your wife. He want make una believe say na one baby mama. Now they talk those words when they dirty. But na your wife they talk. Now he they talk. Now if you know that you never hear her, you hear her just now. All these JJ men when they climb up, they talk to baby mamas. Now fire when they get for his house. Now maybe they come out. I know baby mama cause for their body. Thank you very much, ma. God bless you for the gifts. Merci beaucoup. Yeah, just imagine. Thank you, mama. God bless you, ma. God bless you. Yeah? That is people we know they don't even have confidence on themselves. And they want me you they fear them. They want me you they respect them by force. They are not even capable to face the truth. They don't face reality. They are afraid of reality. They cover up everywhere. You and your so-called baby mama, they fight. Eh? Which shame come the inside? The woman don't tell you, say, he go leave you, go they knock another man for her side. Are you trying to say that the first day, they admit that yesterday be the first time we tell you? The answer is no, not be the first time. It's just that day now, you don't mute your camera, your mic. Everybody can hear her. And it can be the big deal. So you just come out. When they see us, when they talk our story for media, they'll say we not get character. Chevy don't see now. More progress when you go come up. Mr. 500, big man 500. Me, I'm a man of this, I'm a man of that. I believe they don't get 4 children. He never pay wife bride price. The wife don't born reach 4 or 5 children. No bride price have been paid. No church marriage, no court marriage. Germany, when they don't know him as they don't recognize him as husband and wife. They are waiting for their religion, church. They don't marry for church. The evil tradition, they don't come up bride price. When it be 24 naira, you know, still pay. Now you go come outside, they do a daze. The disgrace when the baby mama give her, you want put her for single mother head. Which one come single mother? Did the single mother give you? Which one consider single mother? Woman will born 3 or be 5 children for you. If they talk to your face, saying go leave you, go knock another man. Because the people they are aware now, we hear her. You they try to come and tell us, say, now single mother has, now one single mother when they good knock for her house. Now they talk. Baby mama, brother. Now the suffer when majority of the suffer for sa house be this. The Bini men when they do on inside, not be all Bini. The JJ Bini men when they do on inside. If you don't see another tribe for those states when they treat women like this, let me know. Comment on. Now that they bring disgrace to the real Bini men, the responsible Bini men. Now this Samagwa of them. Now they see they bring bad name to those state men in general. How can the man be talking this manner? The women they tell us say put on. Because now your wife voice with the hear just now. You say na single mother, not be your wife, na single mother has to be. Put on for video because they know he has, they know the color of his house. They tell us say you put on for video. Maybe we know whether na single mother house you really did. Is it they tell they say yes, na single mother house na it did. They Chris. Buffet. Character they don't get. The man when they behave like this, you know, say wife don't bear. The girl explode. They talk. She not. If I don't believe say if that wife even no say he no mute him mic, the wife for not talk with him talk because now waiting they might. But I mean say they are man she for not talk now because say she thought maybe he mute him mic. He get problem with the wife. He can't come up for TikTok. The tafia. It should be they talk on. They confirm my hair now. Say, a single mother has 90. Let's go to YouTube. We will listen to the real video. It's very bad. Let's
I just I hear you talk. Okay. Baby mama, I fuck you. If you I fuck you here go. You have Sevani.
Okay. You hear what you talk? You say you talking for Bini. In case you know they hear Bini. You say you don't see more progress with your wife, don't see the fight again. No, also fight they fight. If they tell you, if they threaten the wife now, say, he go, say, baby mama, they knock them. Now knock that they knock them because if baby mama daughter say if I leave you I'll go meet another man. He gonna tell his wife say baby mama that they knock them. His wife say no care. Now you record the talk so you know here say more progress and the wife don't see the fight again because also fight the fight. Yeah. Listen no.
I just say I hear you talk. Okay. Baby mama, I fucking on. If you let I fucking on here again. You have Sevani. Do not do that. Mama, progress. Yes, I go drag your fuck.
He say baby mama that they knock them all the time. How we are here? Meaning you know the near wife. If I even still reach there. They listen.
We go see
he said the man when I will go there with that time. Listen well, because now your wife they threaten her now. Say if he come out, the man will go there with that time. If they tell your wife now say baby mama that they knock them all time, if he just still reach there because he want tell your wife say he want go baby mama house. Now your wife constantly tell her say if he leaves you, the woman when you go still go meet that time, you go back for her. We will start from the beginning again. Maybe not the hearer. But I'm not. It's not. Not be saying like they get problem. Not be that will be my problem because man and woman problem can happen. Even neighbors, even colleague, well, can happen. Talk us of marriage. Why are you not putting it on single mother's head? You want make people believe say this is the ways of your wife and a single mother ways. My brother Bierman, let us just know say this is the way when they threaten you every day by day. Not be waiting they talk for one day. You just talk and not say more progressive we can have a gbina. Meaning not be today they don't start. Now you're seeing way more progress. After your wife don't let us know say you don't take when they threaten you, say you go knock another man. You come here they say na single mother house when you go. Why? Make una listen. I say you're a platform. Nothing good they come out of there. No, all the members that they get problem with their wife, husband. So don't lose husband. So don't lose wife. So don't buy. So they witcher. So they want room for this Europe. They don't stand up again. The one way they buy when they go they bury. They don't show them again because when they show them, the people call it there against them for a dose of bad space. I even aladia. One of your member last 2 years, he lose 3 picking in one day. You strong member. You say, you know, shame not let her talk and come and money can talk and that day. Oh, your ba. Why go and move? Listen.
I just say I hear you talk. Okay. Baby mama, I fucking on. If you let I fucking on here again. You have Sevani. Do not do that.
You have Sevani. Baby mama that they knock them for all time. If I still reach there, so if they threaten the wife now say you want to go meet baby mama. So your baby mama, your wife constantly threatening her say, go. If I leave you, you'll see the kind of man when I will meet. Now your baby mama voice you go hear now because the woman they even now Vito mat me the hear and just now say never still pay a bride price. Woman we don't born many children for her, you never marry her. Listen.
Yes, I go drag your fuck your
He say if okay way you don't get level. It's meaning I just dey knock you. You not get level. Your wife will not dey tell. If okay way you don't get level. I only dey knock you. You not get level. A man saying it to his wife. He say the man when I will come there with that time. If you know bagger bottle for your head, No say no be me. My wife they talk and so.
You go see a man of God if you don't marry, I know. You go for you as if you don't marry. If you don't marry, I know. You go see him. Yeah, I know.
He they tell wife now say if you don't marry, I know come. You know say men when they talk anyhow. Men when know the value woman. If you see a wife, very beautiful girl. Honestly speaking, the girl is so beautiful. Yeah. Understand me? Now you see they talk now say I just they knock you, you know, get level. You know, get level, you give them belly, born one, give them belly, born two, you know, get level. If let's say their children would not reach like 3 or 4, I mean, you know, still get level. Eh? My brother. But I'm dealing who talk like woman. Any man when they talk like woman, you fear them.
If you never marry, all the old bitch will give you the form.
They hear him. He say all the old bitch when you they beat me, now the man go give you. Meaning more progress they beat your wife every day by day. He go come live with like parrots. I'm not surprised because man when they behave like woman. Number one na gay na be. They say na gay take chop at the roof for Germany, na take get people. And the behavior they put. The people, all those men when like man, like woman. So meaning every day na they beat his wife. After he don't beat his wife finish, he go climb on other people platform. He go they advise people about hook up when you already do. You know they let you see road. Now they control everything pass. After you don't beat your wife finish, if you see the way this man they interfere into women discussion, sometimes it with the women they will get problem. They argue because if I come across the video, they watch and sometimes. Even with the women will come get problem. Eh? After he don't beat your wife finish, you will come go to discuss with other women and see say if they settle things and see say if they because many we know say sometimes I would talk and so majority of these men anger when they get with their wife is how they will come channel to innocent woman when they outside. You can claim pretty person don't understand. If they put the life for baby mama house, saying a baby mama house when you go sleep, when you knock the daybreak, now they talk to you like this. Who are you? Who you they try to fool? And you know say the video people don't screen record you. See the evidence outside. Just because majority of you will don't see single mother finish. If you come to see a single mother, people will can't believe you. Eh? This is the same single mother when you take the bully your wife now say if you come up for house now and a single mother house now you they go. They knock single mother all the time. Meaning you know they knock your wife. She's just there like a log of wood. Yeah? You see all these men with the paint hair, paint nails go long, paint hair, bleaching. When they dress like half man, half woman, they respect their wife. They don't regard their wives. Yeah, that's guardian.
This now the moment when it be say, mommy, you remember more progress and the wife come the fight for live video. Okay. More progress no say, he no mute his speaker. Una no ask it talk the pina. They go invite you come up. If you not mute your speaker, anything when they happen for your house, people go begin the year round. The boy call it.
You say yeah. This is just what it take place there. Even with the wife come the first, they come the quarrel. That will not be problem. And anything can happen. When you see people come see the video now, if they try to make people know say na single mother house when you go sleep till daybreak. Single mother when you knock till daybreak, na daybreak the single mother call the nyak but I call the misbehave. Na lie. Na lie. Now your wife Because those words when the woman use for her and the words when you use for your wife, because of paint when they try to paint everything outside, you know what make people know say na your wife na they talk to her in that manner. Na your wife they tell her say he go soon leave her, go marry. Since he not agree marry and he go marry another man when be say go use bottle back your head. You know what make we know say make people know say na your wife they talk. You want to put her for innocent woman body. What did they do you? Eh? What did they do you? Why can't you be yourself?
Later call, can they explain the reason for the fight?
Hello. Sorry, not what?
The fight. This same boy, now person when be say they against single mother. If you dey active for Mommy Yore platform for TikTok, this guy dey always dey bully single mom. Now the women for there can rise up say, eh.
Shebu dey hear. Shebu na dey hear. Na blogger dey talk so. Say the guy, he dey always dey bully single mom. And he now they say single mom when he dey bully, now they use they threaten the wife just now say if he come up for her single go that single mom at least that they see bola on time. Because you know they give you wife. That's why they talk I just now say sometimes you go they follow those women they talk like say he be woman himself. Whenever I would just say they talk like that, I'll say this woman, this man, only go know what thing his wife go they pass through for your hand. Forget say all the time if they carry your wife picture come out, they snap picture. No, man when they respect his wife inside house, now once that you know. You don't tell when they tell now say man when you know they respect woman. Man when they respect your wife. If you see any other woman for outside, you go respect her. Yes. Man that knows the respect of a woman hardly insult another woman outside. Sometimes women would even they talk say we say leave. Even though the man wife safe, even they let a man and we wife they work out, one woman can't they talk anyhow. Now the man go even tell your wife say, my dear leave and a woman. Even though the wife won't retaliate, you know let the wife do it. Because you could not say na woman. You see all these ones, when you know they respect their wife is house, eh? They can dive on any woman anyway. That they insult them. That they insult because many of them they bitter. Man when they respect a woman inside house, if you see another woman outside, they go respect her. You know go bully her. You know that's why I'm tired of some of that is male like this. I know say many of them don't like waiting at the talk. I don't really care. It's none of my business. Not until you guys change. We cannot change. Learn how to respect woman. How can you be do this kind of thing to the mother of your children? The mother of your children. Now, wow. People like this, their wife, they are ashamed to become a single mother. They are just bearing inside house because they know the pepper when they're outside. They don't want many of these kind of men what they don't already recognize for social media. Their wife will do the beer follow them. They know they still they respect them because they don't do what their wife they pass through.
You way they do big man thing. The guy didn't say big man for TikTok. Okay. Now you they fight your wife so for TikTok. Like we office say you get perfect home.
The way they do big man thing. This is just it. He made people believe say he get perfect home, but you know the respect your wife. Your wife the hear when for your hand. Some of them that's all they be. Though they use the women, they will turn the women to rag. But when they come out, they will sit down for the chair when be say for the parliament when be say na government na give them. Go they talk, but now this thing view. Now even worse, pass with this. The man who they let. I don't come across how to 3 times like that. You go they follow women, they argue. Both married women, both single mother. You know they respect them. Sometimes even the Europe members go they quarrel. How many of who are the you remember when they gather quarrel now? Women, never men like women. When women don't reach out to 6, 7, he want Karulaga. Go did it. You would say it made conda, you know go conda. You go did it. See they wait for the women on next badge of women when you go climb. The eye when they torture your wife inside house, you can come take and they torture those ones when you be say no be even his sister, they not belongs to her, they not relate to her. The only the eye when they neglect the wife inside the house. Character. Now then like this, come make people they say they'll say Benin men no good, Benin men now like Benin men going good, they plenty. Now this once now that they bring bad name to Benin men. Who just see and I go say, no see I see one Benin man he called the life for single mother head though. They'll say, I saw them be now, but not be all of them. Now, this ones, they don't respect woman. If they sleep with woman, they will come talk and come out. Even both the one they don't sleep with, they will come. The one using again name say they don't sleep with the woman. They will still come talking for social media. So now lie you. Now only their hand you could see. The ones when you behave like this.
Way the saga, they bully single mothers, and also make una beg. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. React to Aproko matters.
Abati Yashe. Hey, God of Yana. Breaking news. Abati Chevy. Abat. Owache.
So another one.
Single mother. Humiliated single mother. Thank God you all can hear what happened here now. Hey, daddy, when you don't finish with your house, you will come. If I dey request for your blood for you, they bring me up. But this time, you will receive sense. In my wife, me are not solo, but my money did my wife. You should they talk. But now, dear God,
Now they say, he say, what you know the feed they do to you for your wife, you go they say he did one. Why is he doing it? They are doing it. You know, see, let me tell you, if you be man, you here, try to understand me. And I thank God, and I thank all the men when they say that they understand my topic, which they used to say, oh, my sister, and they see your topic sometimes. Stand for the truth when they talk. Don't be angry. If say you be man, you behave like this man, then you will be angry. You hear say all those women, you see as all the women take come out now. These are women we be say every day by day and they gather they stay the same platform. The way this man they bully these women, the way this man they humiliate all those women, and they be the same member, they belongs to the same group. Everything we know they do for you, woman, you go they claim saying they do it to her. Now these women they talk so. So when you come here, they bully us. Things when you know they do, they talk for here. Meaning you know they do it for your women. What do you know they do for your woman? You want me with they do it. You see? They because now one gender you know me say all women call me Sorry guys, now telephone enter. Now call na enter. Okay, sorry. So you understand me? It's very bad. See, if you be person, you know they respect your wife, my brother. Eh? And you know in your mind, you know say your wife na good person. Try to respect your wife. Try make they respect your wife. Some people don't know how to respect. Somebody who got to talk today, na person will still they watch my video. Nama, okay? If they watch my video, sometimes he go call me, he go tell me, say, I dey see your video, I dey see today. Now we talk. He tried to remind me of about 5 or more than 5 different videos when I don't do. So we'll still discuss. He will say, okay, so day I see this kind of video when you do, and I will still give a reason of doing it. He will say, yes, you know. Now those are people. It reach up to 3 of them like that. Then they call now men. Oh, yeah. They'll call me because of my video. They'll say, I like what you they do. The one we gotta discuss today, we discuss more than 3 hours. We are talking about all this, that is understanding. We are talking about integration. Why we say many people, many men, they reason like this, now because say some they don't like the lack of integration. The person was telling me, I know say this your topic, many men don't go like her, but he be man, but he understand your topic. Some don't like it. I'm up to 3 people like this, they don't tell me the same thing. See more progress. Why? Very beautiful woman, eh? Very beautiful lady. Now born for her. The girl not be like who don't born. What else do you want? If you check now, you see say what the woman they seek for, not small thing. Common respect. You know, respect her. See the way they talk to her. If they tell a woman now say if he go meet single mother, that they knock single mother on time, but meaning you know they knock your wife. So now I do me the one will be like this. Now that you go see, they just use bed, they punish their wife. Not be say you know they hungry them, they hungry them. For them to give that pleasure to their wife, they will go give her to another woman for her side, just to make that their wife feel bad. Now they use single mother, they mock your wife. If they use single mother, they mock your wife. Say you will go meet single mother. You see, the wife still tell her say, I will still leave you, go meet another man. Man, when I will go meet, he go be man will be say all the beat way they give me, the man will still beat you put. After they don't catch her now, he try to throw the case like now why you single mother when I go sleep in house, when I go knock till daybreak, night they misbehave. Now lie, my brother, now your wife. So respect your wife. You be that person, you happen to have a woman when they okay. You in your mind, you know, say this my wife is a good woman. Some of you now just they worry on our wife. Now they just they punish on our wife because the woman wise. Some they just they punish their wife because the woman is a bit dress. So they don't want me that woman dress. They don't want me that woman upgrade. They don't want their woman to be outspoken. They don't want their woman to know anything. And these women were not like this when you meet them. Now you just they make some. Now be the problem when some men get with their wife. Their wife, some it never tell now when it come be say everybody man and woman come they act film, do program together. As at 3 years ago, 4 years ago, you go, yes, many men go come. They will call into live. Now, this is the reason why I don't want me, my wife, they enter social media. Before, they don't want me, their wife enter social media. This I will say, my wife not to watch social media. If I see, say, mainly that Lolo, my wife can never watch Lolo. I promise my wife, say, the day when I will see, say, they watch Money Canada, they go come out from my house. The day when you go see, say, I will see, say, they watch this kind of person, I go come out from my house. They do that one, do. At the end of the day, you know. We all know that it was out of ignorance. How can you be on social media? You tell your wife, me not watch video, me not watch social media. Why? How can you believe say social media now go spoil your wife? When they do this something that time, I'm like, anyway, maybe they watch to know and the world is becoming digital on a daily basis, and you will come to stop your wife not to watch the media. Some if they will say that if some if they come, their husband they come, they will change the video. Today where are we? Before you see person you know the TikTok today na small. So it don't make sense. Try to also respect your wife's opinion as brothers. Well, sorry. Once in a so unique, that is their ancestors, they disgrace them. The ones when they come their platform here, come they beat them. So you know if you get happiness for us, now if they come here, come they insult us. Now you be waiting those women they talk so. You can see those women's reaction. Like I said before, this man has been on their flesh for long. This man would already bath, come up. You can't intimidate all those women when they gather the day for the same platform. It make those women know say they know, you know, they're not rich. It made them know say that so they do this for your wife, if they do that for your baby, it's not lie. You can see how angry the women are. I don't even get platform, you not stop them because you already know saying the truth. Now those members they talk. It's not good. You guys, it's time you guys stop insulting women when you not be with a wife. You and your woman get wife problem for yourself. You know me say you just see another woman for outside. You dey insult her. You know they happen. We are here abroad. Yeah? Before Oyibo man go just carry the insult woman. No, not easy. You know, easy. Eh? Say you just insult me. And also Oyibo when they do am. You see, you know say now those Oyibo when not still they responsible. Just come on, good. Somebody insult married women. Somebody come married women will show. Thank you, Mama. God bless you. I remember I made your Mama debut tap na. Beggy, but we happy. So they come married women will show. And these are men when you get wife in the house. It's very bad. It's a tremor. Wow, I'm not there. They say, you know, they shame. No wonder when you know they respect women because you don't have happiness. Anybody that have happiness and hope will respect. Don't say they always taught this thing. Or you just see one woman just bounce on one man, they insult her. Or just come into the middle of men, they insult them when the men not do them anything. Yeah? That's why if I want to talk to some men, and I would say the one where they do on my side, like this video now. Now the ones when it be made the men when it be said that they bring bad name to the responsible Benin men. Yeah. You see where for the talk for the other audio, you say, oh, the baby mama wait they all this Europe, all of them would they knock all of them they go. As it be say, would they knock them, they go as we like. As it be say they don't want to enter husband house. As if say the baby mama is made for him. Why it wasn't saying that? Because he wanted to use it to cover up. Many people believe say now with one baby mama they fight. For people to believe say that one single mother in with and they gather the quarrel, but my wife. Yeah. Now think those women when they quarrel so now the women when they bullying every day by day. Women when for you make believe say they don't get character. So these women now like so your wife can also threaten you say you want to become baby mama. So now so you be now you they come here they bully us. You don't see the anger in them. All of them they talk in the same time. If you see the way this man they do them, sometimes I'm like, don't be the same member they be. The one they talk say after you don't talk to them finish the way they bully them, maybe if you don't come up for live video, your wife go tell and say that way they talk not be so it be for inside hustle. And not true. And not true. If you don't come, they want to use people when you not near them to upgrade. Big man 500. You know that Duro has. Big man 500. You make all these women believe say they don't get character. That's why they are single mothers. Your wife don't born reach 4 children and be 5. You never pay bride price. You be all show. Shetro. What are you waiting? If you cannot pay your wife bride price, woman will don't born many children for you. You don't marry her for Germany. Okay, let's say you don't want to make it be official. You don't marry her for Germany. You don't marry her for court. You don't marry her for Nigeria. You will call they beat baby mamas. Person say request. Yeah. Hello.
Good evening.
Hello. Good evening. Did I hear you?
Oh, I don't know. I saw that you are on live. I said I should join you. I don't know what you are talking about.
Okay, I'm talking about one of our Benin brother called More Progress. You know, the audio when it leaked because he was on live stream. You know, with this lady Ijuri. You know, so he was up like the way you come up. So he did for the panel. So from there, he with the wife, the man on mute. You don't know say he on mute. He with the wife come they fight, they quarrel. So he do they talk. He no say he on mute. Later, before he realized say he on mute, it was already late. People don't record the something. So now he try to come. They convince people say. They do video, they talk, say, na baby mama, single mother house, when you go knock till daybreak, now the single mother, they nyapata, now they talk anyhow like that. Now the people come to us say, no, now your wife, because now your house, now you be. He said, no, na single mother house, now you did, now you with one single mother, they call it, now they call and say, no. If you not stay in a single mother house, now you they open your video because me will know whether not be you and your wife did, they not be your wife they talk just now. You understand? So when I see this thing, that was why I on this. That's why I on this live video. Like, how can you have problem with your wife? You they try to make people know say single mothers not them. Now you would then get trouble. He did not only stop there. He still went ahead saying that all single mothers are so will take the knock all of them. They go since they don't want to enter the husband house. Now the one when you go knock till they break so. Now that one now they talk anyhow. So which now your wife? Me that audio the way he with the wife they tell her say when I leave you, I'll go meet another man when he better pass you. Another man will be say go they beat you, the beat when you beat me, but another man will be say go still beat you. So now he come out to the tell people say, now one single mother house when you go sleep. Now the single mother they misbehave. No, enough. What is wrong if you can talk, say, now me and my wife, now we be get problem. Understand?
My sister. Husband and wife, they get issue. No where husband and wife not for the quarrel. But not be the one you carry as a man. You they talk say single mother no good. Single mother, now be the best woman in this world.
Okay.
Me, I dey husband house. I know what they say for husband house. Not be everything person they talk for live video.
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
Before I be single, before I marry, you know?
Okay.
Husband house, na your name, not in they said. You may say you dey husband house. If the same bring, maybe the same they bring 100 women come out now. You see, say 100 women go they talk now, say marriage no good. You understand?
Yeah.
If you see marriage at this now, if they feel they renew, as they renew document, now so that they renew marriage. A lot of people for not the marriage, they for not the marry.
Now so,
You understand?
That one are true. Well.
So whether they use the spoil single mother, I don't know what is single mother do them. A lot of single mother where they responsible. You see they. You understand?
I don't know what single mother do them.
You see then. If they say some men, if they say they told single mother not great for them, they'll come social media, they talk rubbish.
My sister.
You know? So the best thing, waiting me you know all the single mother. If they see, if una see say ma they toast una no manner, it can't una come social media they talk rubbish. Ignore that person because it's not issue where you take the leg.
Now so now waiting me to tell them with that. Because this man,
I be single mother before I marry.
Yeah. Because this man in question, if you see the way they do all those women for that panel, almost every time when you come across I've come across them like that to 3-4 times. Because not be every day they see the video. Sometimes I'll work out for FYP just to meet see they argue. You can see the way the women they vex now. Say so now so you be for her when they come here, they talk to us, they humiliate us all the time. It's very bad.
And if you see some men where they talk rubbish about single mother, you look say they're not responsible. Now all these men, they pregnant woman, they abandon the woman. Now don't see they come out, they talk about single mother.
Voila.
So if you look them very well, you'll see that they are not responsible.
They are not responsible. No. They are not responsible. No, they are not responsible. I say when we got to talk a few months ago, just because I tell her say no, I'm not going to fit, you know. I tell her video come here. You know, they say the old second account me no. You can't use the account, they bully me, they insult me here. They threaten me, say, make he go bring the TikTok live down. They say, make I come off. No, because they insult me. I just tell her, say, come. What you come they do you now? Because you talk to me and say, no, must you come and insult me? He can't stop immediately. That's why he not come again with the account. Because they use and they bully me again. I'm like, you see this one? This somebody, you know, so not like person. If the person not good for you, you come back, come they insult him. Do you really think it makes sense? It don't make sense. So many of them, they are like that. Because when they do finish, they think they can put it for another woman body. You and your wife, they call it fine. Call it can do anyway. Nobody say you can't say now why you have single mother house when you go sleep. My goodness.
What me see want to talk about this live video. So now single mother me want to talk to, you know, all of us will be women, you understand? Me every day inside the marriage plus single mother, all of us will be the same. So what they try to talk here, any woman will know say in with the baby father, they see they talk,
Yes,
they see
they are looking for single mother. Oui.
see any woman will be say in with the baby father see they talk. They see the nyamata, you know that kind of thing. So, Mona yours forget what if it passed. Come back, Mona come back. If you not feel settled, Mona come back. Mona take care of your children. Because if you see nowadays, men go fit us say they love you. Inside they want to just shop you, just go away. You know. So the best thing, They say the devil you know is better than the devil you don't know. Just better yours go back. Settle with your baby father. Una stay together. Una children. Because now what John Bella be. Now so who should Bella be? No one pass each other. Maybe if you two pass each other, maybe 1 meter. You know. So now what Missy get to talk about single mother.
For that one, my sister, I will say I disagree with that. Okay. You know why? If you may ask me, because you know, say before woman go leave marriage or leave baby mama and papa also, I believe they have a reason. You know, because some leave baby papa because of basketballs. Some leave baby papas because you get one news when somebody tell me they first day for France say one baby papa and one baby mama went happen recently. They say because the baby mama discovered say baby papa don't go through sickness for.
Wow.
Okay. That one some end their relationship like that. Some end their relationship because the man they carry. Some end their relationship in different manners, my sister. You understand? Okay, like one that day now for America. Now one a woman with the husband. When it be say they carry the man picture on social media. When it be say because he with the woman, they gather build property together. And they born. So when the man come go Nigeria come back now. It's like he changed the property of the name of the property. Because he with his wife come to fight put. Before you know, the wife go work, he come back, he say the man put atapia for his orange juice.
No.
Are you trying to say if that one now come become single mother? That one come to Edo Sabah space, so but it happened in America and Edo Sabah space for judge the case in the last 2 years. People will see that case for social media, they don't know what they talk. Why am I saying many women they become single for one thing or the other, for one reason or the other? That one now can that one go back to her husband when try to buy her? The answer is no. Man, when you try to true fight, he want my person. Doctor, let's say true fight, they give him a bad blow, something can happen. You know that one is not intentional, not anger. You know, the one we just put something for person food. But what am I trying to say? There are some, when it be saying, single mother, when it be saying they need to go back, when they go advise for, now the one will be saying, they know what really happened, not really too much. I'm not trying to say what you talk. Some part of it, yes. Maybe when you say that just minus something that happen. If the one will be say life threat, don't be inside. You know what possible. They not gonna go. You understand? From my advice for them, they will just stay. They will suffer just stay because many women when they outside, like you said, so just want to come and shoot and go. They just want to use the women and go. Why some?
Auntie, see, I want to use one like my husband friend to make example here.
Okay.
He get one of my husband friends.
Yeah.
He can't greet us. He got one of my friend. He can't greet me.
Okay.
So this my husband friend. He don't born 5 children, but anytime he come our house, he always do jovial with us, you know.
Yeah.
So as he come, because he my girlfriend, and this my girlfriend, he don't born 3 children. Mm-hmm. So this guy, can't they like this girl?
Yeah.
I can't take this my friend. Say no, I can't talk to her for inside my room. I can't say this brother they like you, not grief for Ramo. Mm-hmm. He get wife, he get children.
Okay, he get wife. Okay, he get wife. Imagine.
Now my husband friend. Okay. I can't tell him. This man, he get wife, he get children, will not grieve for him. I guess I can't tell me say okay.
Okay.
They say no will grieve for him. Imagine. Before this my friend, this man come out, they are 2 share number together. Okay. You understand? When I call, they ask my friend, say, my girlfriend, you give your number to the man. He said, no, God forbid. Is that what you want to use the man to do? I say, no problem.
And you don't from your back.
Yeah, give one. Yeah, I can say, okay, no problem. Then my husband, after the man don't come up, my husband called me say, that my friend, be like, say, spoil. Now I say, nah, lie. Why you go talk all this kind of things? That means if you say my friend spoil, so now me you they talk to. My husband say, he said, more they look now. We can't they look. Before I know, this man, that ticket, go meet this girl for house. They do what they want to do.
You don't ready to want more.
Yes, they do what they want to do. This man video this girl. If you do this girl. And this my friend, I know he husband. You see so?
Oh, wow.
I know he husband.
This not be single mother.
Auntie, I don't know whether that's single mother or marriage. I don't know. Not the person not the same for this.
Some of our women shy.
You see, so I know he husband, and the husband is my friend. I don't know as I want to tell this your husband say, this your wife and is poor.
No, if not me, I'll tell you. If not me, I'll tell you. I know they come
no, Auntie, see, I don't fit tell her because if I tell her, I go kill that woman. You understand?
No.
So.
My sister, if I may ask, you don't say that woman marry. Why you come the advice her like that? Say no, not good for her.
I say me not good for this because listen. When I tell her, I say me not good for her because I know as that girl be. You understand? The time when me never married that time, when I be gay that time. All this my children, you know children, huh?
Yes.
All this my children, the one where they talk to my enemy, not be me. Maybe if they come like this, I will carry them go all this way for the shop, all this kebab, you know this place, all this Madonna's.
Yeah.
So maybe me with my enemy, my children that time, maybe we did talk that time. This guy, I go call and say, babe, come on. I don't want gents. He go to come. This day, he go order like my children go tell me say, nah, I order something. You understand? Me now, I be person where be say, I know that thing's not they flink me. And this guy, something like that they flink him. And if you want your order, maybe go your order 15, 20. You know? Inside me, I go the verse like my children will come see me that time. If they come out now, they'll use that height till they look or say that means that my money with it. You know that kind of thing.
Yeah.
I can't call my friend. Say at that level where you just do yours, it don't make sense. He go say come out for road. If you know you're green, nah, marchand down. You know? Now that high, I think they look till now. I think say I can't even they talk say maybe this my friend will not change. Till now, I never see change up. No, it don't.
What kind of a person cannot be my friend? I'm telling you because they say show me your friend. I'll tell you whom you are. Because I feel meet a friend when I be say they behave somehow. So I'll try to change her. If the person refuses to change, I'll push them away.
Until you know how many times I don't change this girl. You know how many times I don't talk to her. Every step I go tell her say, if you not change for all this rubbish what they do, I'm not sure say you they call me again, I will block you.
No, person like that not there.
Sometimes 3 months, 1 month we not go talk. If Wala don't see gas, you go call me. You go say na that matter. You see the more talk I beg. I see me, I get free mind. You know?
But the free mind not the use that one because as soon as you are married, you don't need to have such a people around you. It can be baby mama, it can be girlfriend, you can have them as a married woman. You know, some people will say, woman will not there as well, not follow and do friend. No, not because not opportunity be that. Even though the woman not single, you feel carry them along with you, depends on the character when the woman gets. It's of what use having something to do with married woman when they commit adulteries. In our land, where me come from, now is a very big taboo. As a woman, when married, if you know say another married woman, if from your presence commit adulteries, the something will catch two of now. You will even see and we not talk. Now the person go, which tribe you be?
Me I be new.
They not pay your bride price.
Oh my God.
No,
And she needs to talk this one.
because as a married woman, don't do that attitude. You understand? Because you don't accept that. Because as a woman, when we say you marry traditionally, because I just dey tell you now for next time. Because if you see such a thing and you cover it up, you know good. Even woman when they pay bride price for our land, they know they interfere on boyfriend and girlfriend matter again.
Auntie, I want to ask you a question. What if person know you say send you message? I'm sorry, like what if person know you say send you message? You feel go tell your husband say, where you are not seeing, you don't know whether the woman I like the lie or the woman I like the lie. You can go tell your husband that kind of thing.
I go talk her. Because number one, because me number one, I will tell you the reason why I need to say it. As a married number one, because of my conscience. Number two, because I am a married woman. Because we forbid it.
My sister, if they want to swear, maybe the woman no.
They don't even need to swear. As a married woman, it's automatic. They don't need to swear. As a married woman, it's automatic. They don't need to swear. Woman when they pay bride price, they involve in such things. They involve in self-food. Number one, traditionally, and let's say apart from tradition now, people like that, how they will come to see you. That your husband friend, he go still think say you go see Daisy for another man like that. Don't you know? When you just
that one, you know the kind of woman when you go talk to, you go agree for her.
No, because even me, when it be say the time when I never even started to have children. I know they connive with people when it be like that. I know they do.
I say because of this matter, me with my friend they get quarantine now. We know they talk since 5 months now. We know they talk again.
But you not tell you not also tell your husband.
My husband know now. My husband know the matter now. Say a friend go sleep with that my friend for house.
My goodness.
You know.
Wow.
But when I ask my friend say na lie, he not sleep with her. Okay, this video where this man complain now. Who become this one? My friend say na lie that they do. I beg. When I use that send me message, I don't feel go tell your husband.
If I were you, I would still for that man to record your friend, my sister, and come play am for una. I go expose that man.
So I will tell this my friend say, okay, if you know say this man not sleep with you, carry this matter go tell Ike. Say this man they video you. Go tell Ike, go Echo will come find that. The matter you die like that. Now therefore understand say be like say this my friend, they are two get something. They sleep together. I don't know. So make person be careful. Any woman, make person be careful. Not be your man or woman you see now they follow.
Even your husband need to be careful of that friend, because that friend, when if you do that thing, if you see opportunity to take video you, my sister, go video you.
No, baby, if you the letter they come you ask.
No, if you be say no go sleep with you. Sometimes you might be in the bedroom. Anything can happen. If he come breathe you now, if that kind of man is capable to place this little button camera for una bedroom. I'm telling you the perfect truth. Somebody when you go, your husband don't even need to make a friend with such a person.
Me not blame that my husband friend. Now my friend I blame.
Both your friend,
my friend
both your husbands, even me here, my sister, I'm also blaming you. You know the reason why I did blame you? The reason why, because say that your friend is married, and say, and you are still out on all, and you see they make friend with him for what?
No, you don't feel vex for me. You be like now, for example, now.
Not beside the verse for you. I say I also blame you.
Like their marriage, this my friend marriage. It's not stable. Like the man, na central man. You know that kind of thing.
My sister, marriage is marriage. I've been so used to be. You go feel.
Baka.
No, they no say. You know say this platform are true. They talk for here because marriage is marriage. As far as say. You don't agree to marry her, whether not she true, let me talk first now.
Let me talk first. You understand?
And we hear you.
So this man, they pregnant this year. And this man, they tell him, say, okay, as you with this girl, this, so make you go marry. You don't know how many times I don't tell the man, say, okay, Mona stay together, Mona marry. The man go they play like he go say today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, after he go bring another story come. Now I can't tell this girl, say, my friend, they drag this your husband, Mona go marry. If una no say una no marry, Mona no call they use una matter till they disturb me here. My friend go tell me, say, the man not serious, many topics, all this kind of stuff. Now I can't tell this man, I call this man direct call. I say, brother, he say, sir, he say, man, I say, this my friend, so you don't want to marry her. Because you're not true that they take for marriage. You say, which kind of marriage with that one? They say, which kind of marriage with that one? No, they talk saying don't marry. You never marry. Now, baby mama. I could to say, but not true, you they pregnant this, my friend. He said, I'm waiting my friend one night they give her. Like, I could ask this, my friend, say, that means now you they beg this your husband, may they pregnant you. He said, now what your husband they talk so. You understand? So since that they can't get wuru, they can't separate, like, not be saying marry for Nigeria, not be saying marry for here, they live it together. I don't know whether you know. Live it together.
No, Europe, I know it's together.
So they can't share them. As they share them, and the woman they home, the man they home. Now the woman go meet his first baby mama. Now his first baby mama has now this husband day. So this my friend can say he want waka, he don't want marriage again. So I they try now put them together, make they stay together. But not be everything though. They tell me, okay, suddenly can't greet me for house. I can't tell her because the way it take come that day, it be like person with no day husband, so this guy. I can't tell her, say, my friend, this man toast you, not grill. I beg, not grill. He can say, wait. My back, you carry number, give this man. Then they don't do anything. Oh. After they don't come on, I don't know where they foresee again. They knock each other. The man can tell my husband, say, that girl will come that day. That girl no be genuine person. He say, don't knock her. We call the dad, say, God forbid, you not feel like that woman. I can't even they deny. I can't deny for this, my friend. When that man can show us video, they take all tire me. I could call my friend say, okay, this man sleep with you. He said, God forbid. He said, I don't talk like that again. Okay, how this man